Alright, so the first part of the tour is to go and check out the array, and there are trailers all throughout here, and they have one of them open so we can see what they're doing inside. This place is creepy looking, I'll tell you that.
It's totally something out of a science fiction movie.
Like I have more questions than answers.
Yeah, we need to go inside and listen to one of the lectures.
The Air Force bought 5,400 acres here back in January of 1989 to build a over-the-horizon backscatter radar, just to look at the Russian horizon during the Cold War. These are the largest two-cycle engines that General Motors Electric Motor Diesel Division has made. So these are 4,000 horsepower, two-cycle. 645 cubic inch cylinders. These are V20, big machines. Full load average, these machines can draw over 220 gallons per hour. So, we've got three 12,000 gallon fuel tanks outside. When we're doing science experiments, they're typically between 10 and 15 days where the scientists will come up here, or not, they can collect their data remotely. But in a 2-week period, we can go through $80,000 no problem, just in fuel. So every other day during those periods, whether it's a 10-day or whatever, every other day we have a truck showing up with 9,000 gallons of fuel just to keep us going. Before HAARP was built or even started to be built, his name was Bernard Eastland. And Bernard had some ideas, and that's what a lot of engineers and scientists do. If you've got an idea, and boy, it sounds good, first thing you do is get a patent, right? So Bernard got those patents for mind control, weather modification, power beaming, right? So he went and got all these patents out there, and nobody read that or cared about that, right? Until this facility was starting to be built. The first story came out in Popular Mechanics, and I think it was in 1992. And they showed, a HAARP facility blowing up a Volkswagen 200 miles away. So they had all this conspiracy stuff in that early run. So there really wasn't much out there, but as we went through 3 different build-outs to get to where we are now, it garnered more media attention, it just had more attention, so it all went back to Bernard's patents, right? Oh, they're doing mind control, blowing up space shuttles, causing tsunamis, so all this stuff. And on our hotlines, we have gotten phone calls like you would not believe. Thankfully, the last one I got was a young lady asking if I could help her to win the lottery. So I'm like, hey, well, that's a lot better than shooting down space shuttles, right?